What is this? What'd I tell you? Jordan, come here. What is it for your 100,000? What is it?
Yeah.
You know her. Let's go to YouTube. Right? I tell you, you need to upload stuff right here. Look what she got in the mail.
Oh, she got a YouTube play button.
I didn't even think of like.
That's what it is?
Yeah, it's a YouTube play button.
You guess who's next?
Jordan. No, I was literally waiting for you to open it because I didn't even think about it until you said something. Yeah.
Give me that knife. Yeah. YouTube or the YouTube stars. I'm the man behind the scenes.
Yay! And I wanted to get this all on camera.
You seen these before?
Yeah, I've seen them on YouTube, but I haven't actually seen them. I think it's a silver or golden.
I think so.
The gold is $1 million.
Yeah.
And then the diamond is 10 million.
So proud of you guys.
Oh my god, oh my god,
Ready?
oh my god. Wait.
Oh, first.
Oh, what's that?
From YouTube. You've done something that very few YouTube creators have accomplished. You have an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel.
Hey.
Blah, blah, blah. Easy breezy for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I told you this day was about to come. I told you it's coming.
Oh my gosh.
You just gotta be ready for the fame and the fortune. Because it ruined my life.
I waited to open this with Jay because I would like to dedicate this award to Jay.
And I would like to dedicate it back to her.
Okay.
So you gotta get motivated. This helps you get motivated, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, is it heavy?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not?
It's actually not.
And this is Real Twisted 14. This is the moniker.
Twisted_Fox14.
Coming up. Wow, that's crazy. Easy breezy. Wow.
Did you get that? I'm telling you. Well, I wanted to show you that if you work hard and you do what you love to do, you can achieve anything. I knew this day would come for her. I seen it before. She's seen it, just like you. I see it in me. So get to fucking work.
I thought that YouTube would notify you, but of course, they don't notify you about shit.
Doesn't that make you feel like you sailing in the right direction?
Yes.
Hey, you're killing it. Look at that 4K, 2K. So proud of you.
Yay.
Pat on the back. You should frame this.
Yeah, I definitely will.
Wait, this needs to go back here. Yeah, you should do a like piece my video with unboxing, but do your goofy video, you know?
Talking about in front of like a ring light and stuff?
Yeah.
Wow.
And do it like, look back at your back.
Alright, okay. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 10,000 people subscribe to your channel.
100,000.
What'd I say?
10,000.
Wow. Okay, 100,000. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off from now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wajoinke.
Fuck that all the way up.
Yours sincerely, Susan.
Susie. Thank you.
YouTube CEO.
They're watching you. It should just went up 6 subscribers in 5 minutes. It was at 529. Beyonce. Right?
Yes. So, this is crazy. I would like to dedicate this award to the subscribers and the supporters of the Easy Breezy channel. We are damn near, well, we were a community and a family way before this, but it's like we're reaching crazy accomplishments and milestones together. So this is crazy.
Hold on, let me put some people clapping.
Thank you guys. And I can't even say thank you because this is dedicated to you guys. So let's thank each other for the hard work and the support.
Breezy, breezy, breezy. Well, next they're gonna invite you to the YouTube award.
And when they say you people can guess, I'm bringing you.
Fuck up. This nigga is off the hook. Tell you, what's next is that first. And what's funny is you practice with Shop Kitty. Next is gonna be a bigger sponsor, like what Revlon, what are them fancy motherfuckers?
I need me a little Bronner Bro sponsor, you know, a little goddamn, any type of big product company.
Like it's gonna be a check that you're gonna stare at for 5 minutes. You know, probably like 7 to 10,000 first. You're like, what the fuck?
That's crazy.
And then when you start doing those every day,
that's crazy.
7, 10,000. This is what you was born to do. What the fuck can you do? Sorry.
Nigga, I'm on my selfish shit. They got the niggas in their prime. I bet you're still working on it. I just want my